Hi, welcome to UNB Customs. We're here with the new Roadsmith HTX kit for the 18 and up Goldwings. It features the new cast aluminum front fork assembly, which is a CNC machine for precision fit. And the same independent suspensions available on these new bikes. The weight-bearing running boards are available for it, along with the auxiliary 5-gallon fuel tank. One unique feature about Roadsmith kit, the tour pack is set back and raised to give the passenger more room, which is an exciting new feature. We retain all electronic controls for your trunk release and on your tour pack. It allows you to use your key fob to lock everything when you leave the bike. We incorporate a new body style to enhance the exhaust mufflers. As you can see, we're offering the mud flaps, chrome wheels, the Roadsmith kit is a longer wheelbase independent suspension conversion. It comes with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty. All the components in your brakes, rotors, and axles, all automotive parts available over the counter. Again, it's the Roadsmith kit. And any questions you have, or information you need, give us a call at UNB Customs.